everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On this video, we will be unboxing the newest Softlex Company design kit. This is called French Garden. It was the exclusive kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza. I will leave a link down below in the description for information on TGBE, as well as if this kit is still available. They also did have a bead mix that you could buy separately that corresponds with this. It is such a beautiful bead mix. So we will look at that in just a little bit, as well as they had a bead strand to match the kit. And I will also leave a link down below in the description for a playlist for all other unboxings for Softlex Company design kits. Then they have a little description of everything that is inside of this kit, and you have some exclusive items and then some items that will be on the Softlex Company website closer to the event for TGBE. Oh, awesome. Seed beads. Love seed beads. So fun. So this is going to be our Just Beat It seed bead mix. So this is a custom mix by Just Beat It. Oh, I love the colors. And then we have a green bead mix from Just Beat It. Looks like there is 2 or 3 different shades of green, and then you have your beautiful yellow, just a bright color, perfect for springtime. Opaque lemon yellow is the color for the seed bead. This is an exclusive item. It is a ceramic flower donut. It says various colors. So I don't know if everyone got a different color. Oh, it's cool. It's two-sided. Or it's just various colors from the flowers on here. So this would pair wonderfully with the seed beads. So pretty. I think these match, yeah, these match perfectly with the Just Beat It mix. So that'll be really fun to create with. You have purple amethyst softflex wire. Have to have softflex wire. And so this is your beading wire. And then we have non-tarnished silver plated and 24 gauge, which is kind of a softer gauge, so perfect to do like the flowers or just a little bit of wire wrapping with. So pretty. So we have some findings. There is a lobster claw for your clasp and a pair of earring findings. 20 silver 2x2s, and this is what's going to hold your project together. Oh, these are pretty. This is going to be your sweet and petite flower in a 7 millimeter check glass yellow and brown faceted fire polish bead. How pretty. So this is going to be your sweet and petite flower and 7 millimeter check glass yellow and brown fire polish beads. And they do have some of these on the Softlex Company website. They come in so many different colors, but they're so sparkly. I just love them. So I'll leave a link down below for the strand of these. And all the flower is just so beautiful. Has a little bit of weight to it, but super pretty. Maybe add that with that one. And I love the Softlex kits. You already start designing with them as soon as you're doing an unboxing. They're just fantastic. Set those off to the side, and then you have 2 check glass strands, and these should be available on the website. You have a 5x7, just look at the sparkle, 5x7 check glass olive green transparent drop bead. And then we have a 3 millimeter check glass matte tanzanite fire polish bead. Tanzanite's one of my favorite colors. One more item. This is exclusive to the kit. It is the Bedoria French Garden Mix. Some very sparkly beads. If we know Bedoria, that's what they're known for, is super sparkly beads. And then this little bag inside are little free-form beads in the gemstone fluorite. And I love fluorite. It's also one of my favorite. I want to say it's one of my top 10 favorite stones. It comes in so many wonderful colors. So you kind of have that aqua color, the pale green, the purple. There's just nothing like the gemstone fluorite. So it's a beautiful stone. So I'm super excited to see it in our design kit. We have our beautiful bead mix. gorgeous. Kind of an opaque color, a shimmer, this blue with a little, kind of like an AB coating to it, so it gives a little bit more green, or green for our garden. That'll just pair so well together. So a very, very beautiful mix. I am so excited for this kit and TGBE. So stay tuned for upcoming tutorials featuring this beautiful mix of beads. And I'm going to show you what's inside the exclusive Jesse James bead mix. And for their monthly design kits, they include the bead mix in with the design kit, but for TGBE, it's kind of a special event. So they'll sell the bead mix separately from the design kit. So how beautiful do all these colors just pair together? I love these little flowers, these little acrylic flowers. They're so cute. And this kit was selling super fast, so I'm not sure if it's still available, but if it is, I will leave a link down below. I absolutely love these little flowers. I did a tutorial with them for Jesse James beads a couple years ago, and they're just fantastic to use for bead weaving. So I might do that design again, or I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description for that tutorial. How gorgeous. Oh, then you have some top drill beads, some little spring leaves. Love these ones. Just a beautiful, like, tanzanite color with the amethyst, like, almost a blended color, and then just so much sparkle. So you can tell how just everything is just gonna match so perfectly together. Such a beautiful, beautiful mix. And you could maybe add some flowers on the bottom if you wanted to. I'm excited to see what people create with this little pendant here. Or maybe not use it as a pendant and use it as the focal on your bracelet and make like a multi-strand bracelet. Super fun. And then we have the leaves. They have like a little iridescent look to them. Those would be super cute. Like a little pendant or a lariat. So I am super excited to see what everybody creates with this beautiful kit. You have some more glass beads and of course your findings and bead caps. Rondels, you have to have the sparkle. So super, super fun mix. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for information on this product as well as a tutorial playlist. Have an awesome day.